All aboard.
Today we are coming to you from seat 19 and 20, cart 3 on El Chepe, bound for Creel. It's currently 5:59 a.m. and our train should be leaving at exactly 6 o'clock a.m. So we have about 1 minute. Let's see how precise this train is.
Tiempo estimado a Creel son 5 horas y media, ¿ok?
Just to give you guys a little bit of information about El Chepe, which is actually Ferrocarril Chihuahua al Pacífico. But they shortened it, they took the CH from Chihuahua and the P from Pacífico, threw some E's in there and came out with Chepe, El Chepe.
The train runs over 400 miles from Chihuahua to Los Mochis, and that's the route we're currently on right now.
You can also purchase return tickets, so it runs both north to south and south to north on different days, depending on which train you take and which class you buy.
So there's two different kinds of trains that you can take. The one we're on, the regional, which runs from Chihuahua to Los Mochis, and it takes about 14 hours if you were to go all the way, and it stops several times in between. The other one is the express train, which runs from Creel to Los Mochis, making fewer stops in between, and it takes about 9 hours.
So we actually purchased a tourist ticket on the regional train. So the regional train can be used as a commuter train that takes people between cities on a daily basis, or it can be used as a sightseeing train, and that is what we are doing today. We purchased a tourist ticket.
The tourist ticket allows you to stop 2 times along the route, and then, of course, plus your final destination, so equaling 3 total stops.
Do your research before you buy your tickets, because you do have to specify which stops you're going to get off at when you're purchasing the tickets. So, lots of people recommend Creel, Divisadero, Posada Barrancas, and Pajuichivo. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Lots of people recommend getting off at those stops so you can take advantage of what is available in those areas.
So our first stop of our adventure is Creel.
So we have plenty of time. So let's go ahead and take in some of these views.
Check it out. Minutes.
We're almost to Creel.
Después del túnel podemos navegar para el frente, ¿ok?
Why do we have so much crap? Gracias.
This is considered light travel.
For us at least, huh? We have officially arrived in Creel. How do you feel, Hot? It's a bit hotter than I thought it was going to be.
It is not winter weather.
Hell no! We have arrived in Creel. Woohoo! Chepe, you are awesome. We'll see you again in 2 days' time.
Yep. So as soon as you get off the train, right away you start seeing people from hotels asking you if you need a ride, and they actually have shuttles for a bunch of the hotels. We forgot to ask ours, but it's only a 6-minute walk, so we're just gonna walk it.
Actually 3 minutes from this point right here.
Oh, perfect.
When I booked the hotel, I saw that it was a 3-minute walk, and we were like, that's freaking ideal. So we are staying at La Troje, so we're gonna go ahead and make our way there now.
We're here a little early, so hopefully they let us check in.
At least leave our bags, you know?
Yeah.
So let's go. so just walking through the town, we are already in awe. Creel is so beautiful. So it's actually one of the Pueblos Magicos here in Mexico. There are 121 of them. So this Pueblos Magicos program is actually an initiative. I can't say that word for some reason. It's an initiative of the Secretary of Tourism Board to promote these smaller towns that give you a more magical experience. So they're either rich in history, culture, their tradition, folklore, it's natural beauty. And we're going to try to visit as many as we can on this list while we're here in Mexico. But we're so lucky that we're getting to start off with Creel. So as we were walking through the town, we were wondering what we're gonna do about tours, but not to worry. As we walked through, we got tons of little cards from some tour guides. So we called around to a couple different tour groups and we booked a tour. So we actually have about an hour until our first tour, and then we have another one planned for tomorrow morning. So we have about an hour until the tour starts, but we need to kind of get situated because our room is not yet ready. So we're gonna leave these here, they're gonna hold them for us, but we need to fill up our water bottle with water, probably take out some cash, and change my shoes. I need some tennis shoes on. So give us a moment to get ready, and then we'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, we got ourselves a little snack, filled up our water bottles, changed our shoes. We're ready to go. Our tour guide is here. We'll put his information down in the link below, but we're gonna go ahead and jump in our little cab here, and we're up to hit up our first stop, which he will tell us in a moment. Let's go.
¿De qué parte nos visita?
De Texas. Del Paso.
Okay.
As soon as we got off the train, there was several people that were giving us their cards, and we went ahead and called Omar, and he gave us a pretty good price for, it's actually a private tour. We're gonna go to several stops around the area, starting with a cave. This cave belongs to the indigenous people of Creel.
So we're just gonna snack while we wait to get to this cave.
Ella es doña Petra, es la que vive aquí en esta cueva. Ella es doña Petra. ¿Podemos pasar la comida? ¿Pueden pasar?
Gracias. Ah, gracias.
So this is the cave. We just met her actually. This is Doña Petra, and this is her home. So 7 people live in this house. It doesn't matter, all year round, winter, summer, heat, cold. This is their home. So we're gonna go ahead and walk inside right now and check it out. This is, I guess, their living quarters. I'm assuming, I don't know how big this place is, so let's go ahead and just make our way inside. It's like the rocks are on fire. Las rocas están calientitas también.
Wow, muy calientes. Se va por la lumbre.
Tenemos galletas de pinole por si gustan y pinole también.
¿Qué es pinole?
Es maíz molido. Lo muelen en el molino. Este está puro. Natural. No tiene azúcar ni nada.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get some cookies here. This is like ground corn, toasted corn. And then they make cookies out of it, but they're not actually sweet cookies. It's like a little biscuit type deal. You can have it with a hot drink or coffee. So we're gonna get them. We're gonna try them. Gracias. Cool. It's just really interesting because they open their homes to you and you really get to see how they live. So this is the 21st century, but they're still living like they did back in the days. So in a cave, in the wall, and we're gonna try it. I'm excited. Super simple cookie. It's actually really good. No, this is mine. Get another one. Like, you just need to buy something, do a little donation. They have tip jars. It is a person's home, so it does feel a little like you are intruding, but they choose to open their home, so it's just nice if you buy a little cookie or show your appreciation with a little donation, or get food, because these are actually pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and keep going. Omar is waiting for us, and we're gonna make our way to the next stop.
She's calling me.
Lake Arareco.
And guys, it is incredible. Check it out. Such a nice lake. Now we're actually on our way to a waterfall, so that should be cool too.
We're in a truck so we can make the climb, but there was a car down there that I guess didn't want to chance it. But he did say it's a new truck, so here we go. Alright guys, so we have arrived at the cascada, the waterfall.
Our guide leaves us at a path and basically points us in the right direction and says he'll meet us in around 40 minutes. I actually like it that way because we can take our time and do our own thing.
Do what we want to do, yeah. Most of the time when we try to go on hikes or tours, we try to get a guide, but not a tour, so that we can get the information that we need, but not be stuck on a time schedule and have to basically follow a specific layout of itinerary. So we like to do things at our own pace, so this is actually perfect. And he's been super chill. He's like, I'm gonna let you guys go so you can go fly your drone and enjoy it on your own. So, oh, I'm already tired, what the heck. I think he said it's 450 meters.
Yeah.
So we're gonna walk down to the cascada.
It's an easy 240 steps down. Let's go.
It was even greater than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
So grand.
So now we're going to El Valle de los Hongos y Ranas, which is the valley of frogs and mushrooms.
So it's basically a bunch of rock formations. So we'll see how this one turns out. So we'll see an entire valley full of them. So we'll see what that's all about. But yeah, for now we just hold on to our seats because it's a crazy ride.
Yep. See you there.
We are officially in the Valle de las Ranas.
And hongos.
And hongos. So I don't see any mushroom looking ones yet, but that one definitely looks like a frog. That one might look like a frog too. So this is basically a community of all Tarahumara people. They have their school, they have their little placita center where they have their parties and dances. And this entire little valley is just where they live. The history and the culture, guys, it's a magical place. But yeah, excited to see the rest of these Pueblo Magicos, or as many as we can see. Because guys, just take a look at this, just take it in. There's something magical about just standing here right now. There's not a lot going on around us, but it's just so nice. but she's super sweet. And I got this really snazzy bracelet, guys. So nice. Aww. All right, guys, so we are gonna go ahead and run out of battery here, literally.
But it's actually just in time because
we just finished our tour. Guys, so this tour is over, but it was really great. Omar is really good, guys.
Yep.
That's Omar.
if you're
Omar. Hello, Omar.
if you're in Creel, definitely give him a call.
Yeah.
We'll leave his number down at the bottom so you can hit him up.
Yeah, and we also are doing a tour with him tomorrow again, so you'll see him again tomorrow. But so far it's been really great. Our start to Creel has been awesome. I'm so happy that we came here and we stopped here and we're getting to see all of this beauty that is in Chihuahua here in Creel.
Like she said before, this tour is over, so we're gonna head back to the hotel, freshen up, maybe grab some, oh, not maybe, definitely grab some dinner.
I haven't even had lunch, I'm so hungry.
And we'll see you guys in the morning for our tour tomorrow.
All right, see you guys, laters. I think we're totally just blown away.
Holy crap.
How massive this thing is.
So tall. Man, just look again. Look again.